Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in.
Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this screen protector and case kit for a video game console. Now, I just wanted to mention that this kit is designed for a specific brand of console and a specific version of that console, so just make sure that yours will be compatible. But this is what we get here in this kit. You can see really nice high quality case here with that really nice kind of clear see-through, almost kind of invisible type look when you put this on the console itself. I also wanted to show you here, you do get these for the controllers here as well. So you can see for the underside of the controller and then for the top side of the controller. I actually left the plastic on here because I wanted to show you they did come shipped with the plastic on them on these here and the back side to really protect it in the shipping process. So I appreciate that they did that. And then you do get quite a few of these joystick bumps as well. Now I've been using a joystick bump for, I can't even tell you, probably like 6 or 7 years now. It helps a lot in my gaming experience. So I would highly recommend trying these out, see if it helps raise the joystick up and give you a little bit more leverage. I also wanted to point out there is these screen protectors here, and if you take a close look, really clear screen protectors, really nice and high quality. There are some instructions on how to go ahead and apply them, but you do get 2 of them here in this kit. Overall, I've been really impressed with this kit. I think it's nice and high quality, and I'd highly recommend it.
Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.